Hi, are you in the market for a new home, new construction? If so, this is the place to start. I'm Maxine Stull. I'm with William Ryan Homes. And what you need to do to find out how William Ryan Homes can build you a new home is either give me a call at 813-642-6011 or shoot me an email. mstull, that's S as in Sam, Tull at wmryan.com, or you can text me at the same telephone number. We together can put together a plan meeting the criteria for your new home. We can select a community, a floor plan, and then refer you to a lender who can really help you get into that home. So I'm waiting for your call or your email or your text. Thanks so much, and I look forward to hearing from you.